How to fix Twitter show button not working. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix Twitter show button not working on your device. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection, you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, restart your application. If you not solve it, simply look for the update available for that. Open up App Store or Play Store. After you search for the application Twitter or X. After you find it, if you find any update, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of Twitter, your problem should be fixed. If you not solve it, simply you'll have to clear the cache of Twitter. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, find out the application Twitter or X. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on Upload app. Alright, tap on Upload. After you uploaded the Twitter, simply tap on Reinstall. After you reinstall and clear the cache of Twitter, you'll have to also check for the VPN or proxy connection on your device. Simply for that, from the settings section again, from General, tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, make sure that you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. Simply you'll have to disable that. After that, reopen the Twitter and your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.